So take photo. Photo.
Can I?
Yes, sir.
They are texting. No, they make up.
मसाला मसाला
Taken not only for these 10 panchayats but for whole of Goa. All panchayats are doing it because we have made it mandatory to do something. Because see, if with the excuse of 60 years celebration, they also get a chance to come forward, showcase what they have done, what they will do in the future. People also interact, they will also give their suggestion, and हे भाशेन बरे काम जायत रावता. आता मुर्मुगांव तालुका needs to be congratulated because I am also the minister from Murmugao Taluka. So naturally they will do better than anybody else. As you know, at दिसांनी हांव कितलेशे आमचे TPT plants in the process of being set up, have been set up, whether it is Chikalim, whether it is Kodtalim, whether it is Bogmalo, whether it is Savalde, Old Goa, whole of Sange, whole of Goa आणि दोन कडेन करपाचे आसा की नागोंडा एंड पैंगीण हे भाशेन सगळे कडेन आमी करीत आसा आख्या गोंयांत पूण मॅक्सिमम आय बिलीव चॅरिटी बिगिन्स एट होम वी हॅव टू टेक द लीड मुर्मुगांव तालुका and all my sarpanches are very good hard working people. They are also wanting to do it fast, so at least in Murmugaon कचऱ्याचे प्रॉब्लेम आमी सॉल्व करतले. ड्राय आणि वेट गार्बेज सेग्रिगेट करून हे जे TPT डायजेस्टर आसा तितून वेट गार्बेज वयतली. इट विल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू गुड मॅन्युअर एंड मे बी लेटर ऑन वील कन्वर्ट इट इनटू इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. सो दिस इज द होल एम ऑफ दॅट. दिल्ली आख्खे गोंयांत प्रत्येक पंचायतीन 60 वर्सां जेन्ना आमकां भरता कितें प्रगती केला, कितें थिंगा लोक करता, आमच्यो बायलो महिला सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप कितले मुखार पावला, कितें कितें ते करता हें सगळें लोकांकूय कोंडी बिक्री करपा खातीर आनी खास करून मुर्मुगांव म्हाजे सगळे पंचायत एक जाले आनी तेणी सांगलें आमी एक कडेन महोत्सव करता आनी खरें बरे रितीन तेणी हो घडोवन हाडलेलो आसा. तुमी भायर पयला स्टॉल काय बरे स्टॉल्स घातला आनी कशे तरेतरेचे सगळे तेंचे ओन प्रोडक्ट आसा. आतां क्रिसमस सीजन आसा, थिंगा नेवरी म्हण नाका, बाकीचे दोदोल म्हण नाका, बेबिंका म्हण नाका, भात म्हण नाका, बातिका जे आमी म्हणटा असले सुद्दां प्रोडक्ट करपी आमचे बायलो अकॉर्डिंग टू द सीजन म्हणजे दे आर वेल वर्स्ड इन कुकींग. मागीर दुसरे मास्क करपी आसा, पिकल आसा, खंयचे आयटम खावपाचे थिंगा ना ते कोणें सांगचें म्हणल्यार जाता. हे भाशेन इतले बरे प्रमाणान केल्ले आसा. हे आमी मुद्दम केला तांकां एनकरेज करपाक आनी आमचे पंचायतीनूय वॉट एवर डेव्हलपमेंट दे हॅव डन तांकां एकमेका कडेन डिस्कस करून आमकोणी कितें केलां तें लोकांक दाखोवपाक मेळटा. स्टेटीन कितें केलां, सरकारा तर्फेनूय कितें जालां ऑटोमॅटीक हायलायट जाता आनी ताका लागून हो महोत्सव आमी घडोवन हाडलेलो आसा. I think all 11 panchayats, 10 panchayats from Murmugaon block, all have participated in a very big way. So I congratulate all the sarpanches, the deputy sarpanches, as well as the panches. इतलं इंटरेस्ट घेऊन तेणी बरे भाशेने घडोवन हाडलो. I have nothing much to comment, but everybody has got the individual freedom. As you yourself have said, so many people have joined BJP because they feel that is the future. And perhaps those who feel there is no future here, it is individual freedom. You can always migrate somewhere else.
But there are charges that says leveled that some statements have been made and all that. You think that is, or anything that you want to say in that, sir?
That is a matter of making statements when you are already quitting. Had those been made earlier in party forums, in other forums, then it would have had some value. Now you can make any allegation. What value it has?
So for last time the BJP had won all the 4 seats in Mormugao Taluka with Elena going. You think it will make any differences to the party for the Mormugao Taluka
In
especially?
fact, we are more sure of getting all 4 seats now. I can say with all the emphasis, BJP will get all the 4 seats now, because last time I had a very difficult time helping her out to get elected. The whole of Sankwal knows how much I worked overtime, even the constituency knows. So this time around we'll get all the 4 seats. I have no doubt, absolutely.
Any particular candidate that the party is zeroing on, sir, as of
So
now?
that is party's job. That is not my job about candidate. My job is to make candidates win.
Anybody from your camp?
My camp is BJP camp.
No, sir.
So there is nothing like from my camp.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Huh?
Who will be probable for Kurtalim?
There is a process in the party. So party will throw out a right person at the right time. There is still time, no?